Hey guys, today we're going to talk about really one of the most revolutionary synthetics that have come out, and that is rubberized horsehair. And this stuff is wonderful. What it mainly, I mean, it's a batting. It's mainly one of your first battings that you would put on, very first batting. A lot of times what we do is we put it on over the 8-way tie spring with the burlap. Over the burlap, we'll put at least a 1-inch piece of rubberized horsehair to what we do is, even if we're doing horsehair, real horsehair, this is an underneath portion, really gives good balance to the seat. If you're doing a crown seat, you're going to find that no matter how good you are tying springs, that you're going to have wire edge, you're going to have some tilt or, especially around the edges where the crown starts. So this really is a great method to go over that and smooth that off. And then you can add other battings, so I don't object at all to mixing it up a little bit, as long as you use common sense when you're doing it. I mean, you wouldn't necessarily use a bonded dacron over springs, for instance. So the bonded dacron is good for that. It's good for, if you don't have horsehair, to use even more. You can use it in a thicker portion and go over the springs. And then up from there you could go 1-inch foam over that. You might want to put cotton in between maybe. And then cotton over that, and then your fabric for upholstered seats. So it really is coming useful, even if you have a loose cushion on an antique, or even a traditional or modern. You can use it. So it's great. It's a great material. A lot of times we use this for smaller things like the top of arms. I mean, I'd much rather use horsehair, but it's an okay replacement for horsehair if you don't have horsehair too. So it's a great material. I'm sure you'll be able to find other uses for it if you really think about it. But hopefully that gives you some information. So we'll see you next time. Thanks.